There are a number of things that drive me crazy with learners not picking up certain things, and I try and I try and I beat them over the head with it, and sometimes it takes years to get through. But that's okay. Everybody needs a little help. This is remedial Irish pronunciation for anybody who needs a little brushing up, and especially for beginners. This is great, hopefully, for you. Some basic things that just keep coming up and coming up that I just want to pound into you a little bit if you're willing to watch me. So I'm going to start, what I'm talking about is vowel combinations especially. This messes people up and I need you to think about them. So I'm going to give you a couple of lessons. This is the first lesson and there'll be more. So here we go. First one we're going to talk about is the vowel combination I, A. Iya, iya. It's always. Now when I say always, it's mostly always. I'll tell you otherwise. It's mostly pronounced iya. Certainly at the beginning of a word, it's pronounced iya. Couple of samples for you. Bia, food. Gia-rich, gia-jich if you like. Gia-rich, gia, the word God. That says hello. A silly one, Darfia, by Jove, sort of. Fia. Right? Inaya. There's one with some other issues, but inaya, slender DH, I-A, iya, IDH, which you don't really hear. And most, well, it depends on your dialect, let's not go there. Angrian, the sun, Angrian. Angrian, the sun. Agiri, trying. Tame agiri and stuff shut a wanna leave. Agiri. I'm trying to teach you this stuff. I-A-R-R-A-I-D-H. The E at the beginning. We'll talk about this one at the end. See, it's a non-stressed syllable, and the I is really there as part of this IDH ending. So this one is going to just not be the same later as other things that I tell you, but we'll get there. For now, let's stick with the ia, I-A, not A-I. Anvlian, no blian, Anvlian, the year. Ia, I-A, and the other I, don't worry about it. It's just there for the slender N. Bwin trial as. Bwin, or Ben, trial. Here's your trio. Again, you don't have to worry about the I before the slender L. It's the IA in the beginning that matters. When trio as. Ka will the trio, that's a different trio with a double L. Ka will. Where is the trio? Where is your direction? Where are you going? What's your trip going to take you? And it's hard to find one where IA is an ia at the end of a word, but there is one. Guria. There's more than one, I'm sure, but I just thought of one. Guria, which is a hair, like in a rabbit hair. Guria. So there's ia. Study ia. Gia, bia, darfia, anvlian, agiri, inaya, inia, imaya, all of those. Bwintriel as, Angrian, Kawil de Griel, Guria, Ia.